In the world of classic-inspired performance, few names stir the soul quite like Jaguar. And now, in 2025, the legendary Jaguar E-Type V12 Coupe makes its stunning return. Blending retro elegance with cutting-edge engineering, AutoXperience takes you deep inside this automotive masterpiece, where timeless beauty meets modern muscle. The 2025 Jaguar E-Type V12 Coupe stays true to the heart and soul of the original icon. A car once famously dubbed the most beautiful car ever made by Enzo Ferrari. But this isn't just a tribute, this is a rebirth. Under the long sculpted hood lies a modernized 5.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. Tuned to perfection, this powerhouse now delivers an exhilarating 560 horsepower and 480 pounds-ft of torque. Jaguar's engineering team has managed to retain the rich, throaty soundtrack of the original V12 while enhancing fuel efficiency and responsiveness. Using a lightweight aluminum block and electronically managed throttle system, paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox with paddle shifters, or an optional gated 6-speed manual for the purists. The new E-Type V12 Coupe roars from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds. That's not just fast for a classic-inspired car, that's full-blown supercar territory, But this car isn't only about performance, it's about presence. From the outside, the 2025 E-Type captures the original's essence with its long bonnet, short rear deck, and unmistakable silhouette. It's wrapped in a shimmering champagne gold finish that echoes the vintage spirit while showcasing modern paint technology with multi-layer ceramic clear coat for depth and gloss. Jaguar retained the signature oval grille, glass-covered headlamps, and slender taillights, blending old-school charm with LED precision. Move around to the side and you'll notice the pronounced haunches and wire-style forged alloy wheels, which look like they came straight out of the 60s, but they're wrapped in modern Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires and conceal high-performance carbon ceramic brakes for ultimate stopping power. Flush door handles and a hidden active rear. Spoiler complete the aerodynamic updates without disturbing the classic line. Inside the cabin, the Jaguar delivers a breathtaking fusion of vintage craftsmanship and 21st century technology. The seats are hand-stitched in premium Connolly leather, available in shades like tan, oxblood, and deep green. The dashboard features real wood veneer, polished aluminum accents, and analog-style gauges, all backed by digital precision behind the scenes. At the center, a minimalist 10-inch infotainment screen folds out only when needed, preserving the clean, uncluttered look of the past. The steering wheel is a work of art, a wood-rimmed 3-spoke design with modern controls, subtly integrated into the rear surfaces. Jaguar's custom sound system, co-developed with Meridian, is tuned specifically for the E-Type's acoustics, offering crystal clear sound whether you're cruising at sunset or launching from a stoplight. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2025 E-Type Coupe uses a new adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time based on road input and driving style. The car offers 4 selectable drive modes: Classic, Comfort, Dynamic, and Track. In Classic mode, the V12 simulates the sound and throttle response of the original 1970s E-Type. Jaguar went that far to honor its roots. Even safety and driver assistance systems are discreetly integrated. Lane assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system are all standard. But everything is presented in a way that doesn't take you out of the classic driving experience, it enhances it. Perhaps the most impressive thing about the 2025 Jaguar E-Type V12 Coupe is how deeply personal it feels. Each unit is hand-built in Coventry, England, by a dedicated team at Jaguar's SV Bespoke division. Buyers can customize nearly every detail from exterior paint to seat stitching, ensuring that no two cars are truly alike. Production will be limited to just 1,200 250 units globally, making this not just a revival, but a collector's item from day one. Pricing starts at $320,000, and most build slots have already been reserved by Jaguar loyalists, collectors, and design aficionados who understand that this isn't just a car, it's a legacy. Asterisk for those lucky enough to experience it. The 2025 E-Type Coupe is more than nostalgia. It's an emotional connection to history, remastered for the modern world. It's a bold statement from Jaguar that heritage doesn't have to live in the past. It can be driven, heard, and felt today. Got asterisks, so if you ever wondered what it would feel like to drive an icon reborn, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type V12 Coupe might just be the answer. Classic looks, modern muscle, and soul like no other. Asterisk, thanks for watching AutoXperience, where passion meets precision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your favorite classic modern revival car is. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams in drive.